What's up, guys? We are back with another video, and today we are running a few errands. It is 9:29 in the morning, and this is my very first run. I actually didn't record it, but I did go to Sam's Club and filled up my car. After I left Sam's Club, I went to Walmart because there was a few things I needed to get from Walmart before I went back to the house. And you know how we go in here. We try to spend $50 and end up spending $400, but your girl did pretty good this day. After I left Walmart, I did go back to the house. As you can see, I'm on my way back home now to drop off all the things I have already accumulated. My trunk is full, my back seat is full, and your girl just had to go make room and pick up my girls. So after I left out of the house, this is me leaving out of the house. We're on a mission. I now have my daughters with me. We were going to Barnes and Noble. We've never been inside of Barnes and Noble. We always go to Books A Million. So this is the first time of us going there, and I absolutely loved it. They do have slightly a better book collection, but for the most part, I kind of feel like a lot of the stuff that I was looking for, I didn't see in Barnes and Noble that I can always find in Books A Million if I go in there. But this is the young adult section. I kid you not, we was in this section for almost 2 hours before we were finally able to leave. After leaving Barnes & Noble, we ended up going up to Buffalo Wild Wings. Now, I thought this was really funny. You may not find it that funny, but it was a little giggle, hee, hee, ha, ha for me. Because, honey, where's the damn sign? Why is the sign missing? I get out the car, the damn sign sitting on the ground. I just thought that was funny. And this was actually my daughter's idea. She was like, Mom, let's do a dance break. So this was our dance break. We were actually dancing to Chris Brown, Under the Influence. It was just like we had been out all day. We were at our second restaurant picking up food to take home. And we just did a little dance break. And then we ended up going to our favorite boba place, which is about 30 minutes up the street from our house. And it was our last stop before going home. And we went in here to get our drinks. It is such a cute little place. I just love it. The drinks are freaking amazing. I think they sell like appetizers and stuff here too, but we always just get the drinks anytime we come. And that was my actual oldest daughter that you saw her little face there. This is their menu while we were waiting on our drinks. And these are the drinks that we got. They got boba in theirs. I don't really care for boba sometimes, so I didn't get it in mine. After we left the boba place, this is us driving home after our long day, and it is what it is at this point. It was like, bam, we finally arrived, pulling into our apartment complex, and I just could not wait to get inside the home. So real quick, these are the books that we actually purchased from Barnes & Noble, and everyone loved their purchase. Even though we were in there for about 3 hours, this is what we ended up with. So are we going back again? Most definitely, yes. All right, fam. So here's part 2. In part 2, I am unboxing my new camera. This was on my wish list, a camera as well as a desktop computer, which I'll be getting next. But I finally have my camera, so now I can kind of record some more content because I'm tired of recording everything on my phone. And then there's not that much storage on my phone, so that kind of sucks. So now I have additional ways to film my content. This camera was purchased from the Canon's website, and I did get the insurance that they had on it. And it runs you about $500. It was actually the cheapest camera that they do have on there. So far, it just showed the camera strap that comes in the box, as well as the operator's manual, instructions, all of that good stuff. This right here is the battery that it comes with. And then it also comes with a lens. So the lens, I'm not really sure how to work. I mean, after playing with it for a little bit, I've kind of learned how to do the zoom in, the zoom out, how to do focus and everything. So I just have to get better acquainted with the way the little dial is on the top to kind of work it. But this is what the lens looks like, and that cap part comes off, and this back part right here comes off, which connects to the actual camera itself. This is the battery charger port thingy. I don't really know what to call it, but it's how you charge the battery. The battery goes in there. This is the base of the camera. So after I unpackage it, this is what it looks like. So it does not have the little flip thingy to where you can flip it towards you and see what you're recording or anything. So you just kind of got to set it up correctly. But this is what it looks like. So here I am trying to piece it together for you guys so you can see the final outcome. So that part pops off. So the part I was telling you about earlier, you just twist it off, and then that connects to the camera as so. And then this is the disc that I bought to go with it. It does not come with one, so I had to order one. I got this off Amazon. It is, I think it says 256 gigabytes or something like that. And it was right around maybe $40-ish, 40 some dollars. And I also did an insurance plan on that for, I think it's 2 or 3 years that I did, where if you lose any of your data, they can recover it for you. So I did get that as well. And this is the bottom. Right here is where your battery will go, which my battery is already in there for when I was playing with it already. And then I just popped my disc card in there, which it will still work if you don't have one, but it doesn't save anything. So you're not able to go back and look at any pictures that you've taken. You can see it as soon as you take it, but once you take it, it goes away. So it's very important to get that little SD card or memory card, whatever you want to call it. I think it's a memory card, to get that, and it'll save everything that you do. So this is just me running through certain functions, practicing taking pictures or whatever, which I was just randomly snapping stuff just for the camera. Well, as always, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you back on my channel.